Okay guys, we're back in Roblox. So we're back. The noob, I bully it. Did you see my video? If you see it, you can't know it. I don't know if my account has banned. Please do not ban me now. Sinabi ko yun yung go ban me. Haha. Oh no. 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 No my account. Walang iya guys. Habang para. Tignan mo. Report ang stain ko lang. Yeah. Walang iya. Masabiruan na yung sa ba? Tignan mo, oh. Diba? Ang galing. Galing niya. Dapat di sana ko lang sinabi. Wala na akong account. Wala na, talo. Yaik. Nakakot na ba? No. No. Naman. This is my another account. This has been banned. Forever young. I want to be forever young. Wanna never again to never. Forever. Forever. I will be forever young. Walang ginakakong. Ano so good. Kung nakita man ni Yorick lang makamukan Roblox na bungawi yayak na may kato. This account is linked on account go mag-for server exploration of our community understanding only the ban account can upper lang yun up. Di ba kung may dangalin mga dapat bantid for 1 day lang. Yun mo forever yang pares nga doon ako kung diba sambot kan mga open pa rin ako no sa account. Yan naman na nakita na ako na cancer tika mo kay wala na account adi at i-book to account boy sini Minecraft na ako nini account yung mga sa secure password before continuing other product. So I wanted to stop Robloxing.